I don't know why I do that every single time we start. Welcome to Shitcoin Talk episodes 97, the Daylight Savings Time edition. I'm dumb. Actually dumb. I don't know what happened today, dude. Daylight Savings Time really fucked with us somehow, even though it was like a week ago. Yes, welcome everybody. Hello, gentlemen.
Hello, sir.
News.
I'll take it from there.
Yes, take it
This
from.
is
I'll
yeah,
take it from
yeah. I'll just take the ball from you for the moment.
there. Okay, please.
I made this.
Yeah,
Yeah, shut
I
the fuck
made
up.
this.
Shut up. Shut up. You know we're crude, and because of you, we're down in Ambroid.
Yeah.
No, yeah, daylight savings time fucking sucks. I'm always disoriented for like the first week after it because I don't think we should do it in America anymore, but it is what it is. Anyway, this is Ant. Also, this is Noose. That handle fucking sucks. I should probably change it one day. Altcoin, crypto, NFT trader, trying to make sense of all the recent shit going on and keep making money. Passing it to SoCal.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? SoCal Crypto here. Just want to say, Noose, you've been saying for like 7 years now that you're going to change that handle, and you never have. So,
You changed it once. It used to be what did
Noose.
I changed it a couple of times. It was Noose early on, and then I changed it to Mr. Fluffigans.
Okay,
Then
it was Mr. Fluffigans for like a week.
Then I changed it to like Senor Fluffigans.
That
But
was
yeah,
like a day.
I mainly go back to Noose. It's just somewhere along the line I realized that naming yourself something suicidal is probably not the best long-term play.
Perfect.
So
We're in the perfect market to do that every 3 years, dude. It's like
yeah, every 3 years my fucking portfolio does go suicidal. So
yeah,
premonition.
great. Well, I'm glad that we could all be here today, an hour late or whatever. Oh, dude, okay. I got the daylight savings time thing. Like, I get it kind of sucks here, but I didn't realize until like 2 days ago that Europe has it a week later than America does.
Oh yeah, I had no idea. I'm definitely one of those Americans that are just ignorant as fuck about everything outside of America. Like, I get my general gist, but if it wasn't for our politics being just ridiculous the past couple years, I would not have even known as much as I did. Like, I'm the type of person when Brexit was going on was just thinking about the market movements. That's about it.
Fucking shameless, dude. I don't know. We gotta fix this daylight savings time. I don't know.
Enough shitting on that.
Yep. Let's get into it, dude.
Do we have a coin list?
No. We don't have anything, dude. We are even less prepared than we usually are, which is crazy, right?
That's glorious.
It doesn't matter. What's up with YouTube right now? Anybody in the chat? Whatever the fuck troll box. I never look at that, so you guys can.
I'll watch it.
Karen Ishihara said daylight savings time ridiculous. We agree, Karen. Thank you for being here. Hello, Kawaii Crypto. Someone says BTC dominance about to tank.
Hell the fuck yes, it is.
Okay. Perfect. Hello, Justin. Balance. Is that Balancer?
It could be. I think it is.
So, okay. I'm going to just make an impromptu coin list right now.
Oh, yeah. That's the way to do it, man.
Yeah, we could talk some BSE, I guess.
Oh, yeah, we can. I'm a dude.
Yeah.
I hate to say it, dude. Maybe I'm turning into a Binance Smart Chain maximalist here, dude.
I don't see why not, man. It's what we were talking about before. There's so many people emotionally charged. Even our peer group that just don't fucking like CZ or Binance, and then you got this little ecosystem bubbling. Like I gotta get in on the next scam, the next MoonCat rescue bullshit. so that I feel more comfortable with the next scam.
The cat rescue, dude. Yep.
Yeah, because you just pulled out a nice move there. If you want to extrapolate on that,
Maybe. We'll see.
maybe.
Okay, well,
this dude was like, I'm still working on shit.
yeah, dude.
Still buying,
Okay, so like
asshole.
everyone knows about the MoonCats on Ethereum. Well, actually, okay, when I didn't realize that was like one of the older NFTs that actually, and like you could mine those cats, and they never even fully got mined until like the other week, right? Or like last week.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
they've just been sitting there fucking doing nothing for like 2 years or 3 years or something, right?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's all bullshit. Like you
That's
know,
pretty amazing.
I have some of the MoonCats and
Oh.
the way I see it, what's going on with these NFTs, these old NFTs, people are trying to say all this shit. Oh, it's ETH, archaeological digs and shit. Like, wow, like you guys, I love the narratives because what we called those in former cycles are takeovers.
Yeah.
And
Community
all it was,
takeover, yeah.
yeah, someone would just accumulate for quite a bit of time and or strike at the right time, get a good amount of supply, and then announce new intentions on something old. And then after a while, people realized that was just a short-term cycle, pump and dump, and then the project went back into irrelevancy. Apparently, that's cool again, and I'm here for it.
Yeah.
So
I
let's.
I thought that one was pretty interesting because you actually did like kind of mine the cats in a way. Like
Oh
you had
yeah,
to
no,
use
I
your
did.
processor and
Yeah,
shit.
I mined a handful of them. I passed on one of them because my daughter thought the cat looked stupid, and
Dude, yes.
next thing I know, the contract was out. The all the cats had been rescued, and I was like, oh fuck. But no, I'm still holding some of those. I think it'll pull like a hash mask esque fractal and just at least 4 to 5x from here before fucking off into irrelevancy.
Yeah. Wait, so how much did a cat cost on Ethereum? Like
It
roughly.
was gas cost, so it was
Yeah.
like that day gas was between like $20 to $35 variably.
Okay. Nice. No, not too bad.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Well, not like your fucking Mars cat that I'm hating
Okay,
on.
yeah, okay, but the Mars cats is I don't know. They're like 50 cents each. So, dude, I don't know, man. Binance Smart Chain. It's dog shit, but I love it, dude.
Yeah. Well, you're supposed to love it. Like you're supposed to love something when it's mad unpolished and shitty, right?
Yeah.
Like I was trying to use BSC chain just to, get some insight into all the Mars cat thing because I'm not set up for it. Whoever was set up for it already, kind of diddled in that bullshit. Good for you because you got to take advantage of the Mars cat stuff. So I'm looking at it and I'm like, God damn, this sucks. This site is so slow. Everything I'm clicking on, it just seems painful.
I don't know why
Like
it's so slow. It's just the sites. Like the blockchain is like fast as fuck, dude. But like yeah, like even Pancake Swap, which has like I don't know what the TVL like the total value locked up was like something like $4 billion. Okay, but like you go to the .info page on Pancake Swap, they're not even synced up to the blockchain all the way. Like I don't even know how that fucking like it does that, dude.
that's money. That's money. You like think about all the shit that we played with that had bad explorers or syncing problems, and then we stood with it until it got, they polished a turd. And then all of a
Yeah.
sudden it's like a 10x. And we're like, oh, it's more usable. The more usable something gets, the higher it's probably gonna get. So yeah, I mean, I see it as bullish, the fact that the site it just seems like they sliced off the least amount of server space and like
Dude,
they
I don't
just
know.
gave it the worst profile.
I know that a lot of
I don't know
projects
why.
that were switching over to smart chain is like the blockchain is moving so fast, but it's like actually so big. You know, the blocks are like pretty big that like it's so hard to sync up to it, which is like kind of a weird problem to have, right? Like you can actually almost never get fully synced. I don't know, dude. But
I don't know.
yeah,
I don't know that shit.
the Mars cat was interesting, but I kind of took a leap of faith and bought one of the Genesis cats for the lulz almost. So I mean, just for
Yeah,
You
no, I
guys
think that's a
giving
great
me
idea.
You guys are giving me 2014 PTSD talking about all these coins that don't sync and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, but those coins ended up doing really well once someone from the community got something to sync and
Yeah.
somebody
Oh
paid a
yeah, for sure.
bounty to get someone competent to actually do some shit right.
I
So
can 100% attest to that because that was me and Bismuth last cycle. I mean,
Oh,
you know,
Bismuth.
oh god, you know, look, that thing was a bitch to get mining. Okay,
Yeah.
look, I was literally the second GPU miner in the world on that one.
Wow.
Because the guy who built the GPU miner was the first one. I worked with him to get it working. Like it was such a pain in the ass. It took us like 2 or 3 days to finally get it up and stable. But I just kept going, just kept going. Like, no, screw this. I'm gonna get it working. And it definitely paid off because off of just a handful of GPUs, I was making like $300 a day for like an entire month.
Yeah. Pretty
Just
good.
because I was tenacious enough to say, no, you know, I'm gonna get this working. And we got it working. And everybody else for like a month there just said, screw it, it's too hard. I'm not going to.
Yeah.
And, you know, I reap the rewards for that. So, yeah, no, definitely, you know, going through the pain of getting these very difficult, unusable coins to work for you is a lot of times it does pay off.
Yeah. I've just been spending a lot of time on Smart Chain because, like, dude, it's pretty crazy how well it works. Even like on mobile and stuff, like Trust Wallet, there's like a browser in the wallet, and you just go to whatever you're trying to do on there. Like it's so quick. Like it's like I don't know. I had fun with Ethereum in like last summer and stuff, and I thought it was like really fun. But like once it starts getting like too expensive to use it, then it's just kind of like kills the vibe, you know?
somebody in the Discord said something that like resonated with me earlier. They said using Ethereum is like spending all fucking day at Disneyland. And I understand that because you want to take a shit in Disneyland. There's a premium for the bathroom, it's insane. Everything is just so much money, and there's alternate paths to spending more money to get even quicker access. So that would be like raising the gas. It's just yeah,
Yeah.
it's really crazy. It's a gentrification. So all the lesser ones are gonna do better. I'm
Yeah.
still I'm still hoping that that'll be like getting back quickly to the fucking archaic either ones. Things are so sought after right now that I'd be remiss to not mention my fuck up on Curio Cards. I
Oh.
I posted a picture of a top holders sheet, and it was the top wallet had like 75%. And all I could think was this is just like some relic bag holder that's just gonna dump over everyone for digging up old projects after MoonCats. And I couldn't be more fucking wrong. I hear from one of the guys that they hit a fucking 50x on Curio because they were buying from the contract, and that 75% was one of the old devs or one of the people associated with the project. So people are going hard as fuck in unearthing old shit, and they really don't care. I think even the Ethereum, this land,
Yeah, someone mentioned that in the chat. It was from dug up from 2015 after MoonCats
yeah,
was found.
yeah, that was like one Ethereum to redeem. And it was hard coded because Ethereum wasn't shit at the time. And people were still like, hey, I have an Ethereum and I have a gambling complex. Let me buy that up. And it's really circulating. Like here's another thing that's interesting about Curio. Besides the fact that it had that majority ownership, one of the fucking people involved is Rhett Creighton. And if anybody knows anything about him, this guy is just serial dev, extraordinaire. And he's
Mhm.
just a part of so much bullshit. But all that is still usurped by the fact that it is one of the very first NFTs on Ethereum.
Wait, did you say
And
Rhett?
Rhett,
Yeah,
fucking Rhett,
fucking rat.
Oh
fucking Rhett.
no!
If anyone
dude.
doesn't know who the fuck Rhett is, look him up
The
and
classic
just guard your bags.
fucking, oh god, dude, was it? Did he do Bitcoin private too? Did he do Bitcoin private?
Bitcoin private.
Oh, what's that? Oh, the whale one, the whale Ethereum. Remember? Fuck, dude.
I think it was literally called Whale.
Something like that, dude. I got hosed on that one. Thought it was slick hosting a bunch of master notes and shit. Fuck you, man.
Yep. Yeah, no, he's just a useless bag of fucking person. But it's still all overshadowed because just people are getting on the Lindy, the provenance, I think is the term now. If it's old, people fucking want it. So they're all gravitating towards that stuff. But you really can't escape the fact that there's so much priced out with that.
Dude,
so
the one in the chat says he linked up with Richard Hart of Hex.
Oh my god.
Oh, Jesus.
That's a fucking match made in I don't know what the fuck dystopia. Oh, that's funny. But you know what? Talking about Richard Hart, everybody was shitting on him, slightly including me with Hex. And it turns out that everyone loves Ponzi's again.
Yeah.
Just if they're in the form of DeFi. So, you know what? Shout out to him. His fucking weird hat, weird personality. That dude made it.
His weird, like, chandelier on his table when he does all his interviews and, like, yeah, man. Fuck. I don't know, dude.
That dude probably has a shag carpet and gets pussy like nobody's business. And here we were talking shit about him because we didn't understand his Ponzi-nomics. All props to him, man. I got nothing bad to say about the guy.
Wow, what we've come a long ways, dude.
I still say fuck Richard Hart and fuck Hex, but whatever.
But why? I don't get why people hate on so many people in crypto. Like
Because
Justin.
I can.
Okay, fair. I mean,
yo, didn't that Rhett guy post a picture of him getting a tattoo of like a literal fork on his body?
Yeah, he does have a literal fucking fork tattooed on his pec.
Okay.
I got
Dead. Yeah.
I don't know what to say to that.
Exactly.
I got no words.
I don't know, dude.
None.
They should have one of those, like, if you invested your stimulus check into Hex, what it would be worth now.
You know what? Don't care.
No, I don't care. Okay. What should should we start looking at some charts for fun?
Yeah, let me figure out how to fucking do that.
Okay. Don't be careful. I'll keep my finger over the red button in case something goes wrong.
Sounds good.
Bit bean tattoo on arse. I don't think so, man. I don't know about that one, buddy. Skippy.
Skippy.
That's his name. Did you guys see the president fall up the stairs to the airplane?
Nah, politics is boring again, and I love it.
Yes.
All right.
Well, sort of boring, I guess. But yeah.
Ooh, Tron, Justin's son. How about that guy? He's good.
I love Justin.
Dude, I saw that video today of where he's with Peter McCormick. He's like, buy my shitcoin. Buy my shitcoin.
Yeah, I mean, Jeebus said a dope quote couple weeks ago, or I don't know. My brain doesn't work well. He said Justin is the dev you'd want if you actually didn't care about, if you actually just wanted to make money on a coin, forget all this other superfluous shit, what you think about him. The dude grinds, the dude works hard. He's trying to buy expensive ass NFTs.
Yeah.
He's a fucking workhorse, so he needs to do something to push cells into these lines I have here,
I mean, was he already rich before crypto, or I'm assuming he was.
I don't know. I know he was just a big name. He had a good amount of followers and a presence before Tron started.
Damn.
But yeah, what do we want to talk about? What do we want to look at? Because these are my bags. I got this shit up right here. This is open positions. These are my bags.
Oh.
So obviously, if people want to talk about something, I can pull it up. I can slap some fucking horizontal lines and we can get going.
Okay. Well, here's the coin list. It's balancer. Yeah, I don't know what this one is. Ecomi.
Kobe.
Oh,
Yeah,
that one's
NFT.
probably fucked. I can tell you that one's probably fucked because I just keep hearing about it.
Okay.
And I I kind of feel like I'm ignorant to a shit ton of tickers these days. And when I'm not, that's actually a danger point for
Yeah,
me.
dude. I am so like there's just so many new coins coming out. It's hard to keep track of all of them. But yeah, okay. Well, here's balance.
Well,
This is balancer, right?
Komi's
Yeah.
one of those older coins. It's from like 2017,
It
Okay.
sounds
and
familiar, but
it's an NFT. It's an at least at the time. I haven't looked into it in a while, so it could have changed. But at least at the time, it was an augmented reality NFT type
oh, I've
thing.
heard of augmented reality before.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Pokemon.
yeah,
Geocoin.
you'd have like these little. At least at the time, like I said, this all could have changed because this info is like at least 2 years out of date. But they had like these little, like they were gonna be like little Pokemon monster type things that would pop up out
Yeah.
of wherever the fuck you pointed your phone and collect them and stuff. Yeah,
Nice.
that's what Ecomi was doing. As of right now, I have no clue, but at least like I
Homie.
said, that's what they were doing. So it was like an NFT Pokemon type dealio with augmented reality.
I dig it. All right, so let's
Balancer.
see. So this motherfucker hit resistance, and looks like it ran into October lows. So that's not really that good. Whoever is bagging this needs to beware of a retrace, at least for the moment. But then again, I'm looking at the BTC chart. As we all know, the dollar chart could look amazing and just completely shit on this concept. So we'll check on that in a moment.
That is pretty much the norm now. BT looks like garbage because BTC's fucking run, but your USD chart is glorious.
Yeah, but we both know that you want to actually outperform
BTC.
BTC because if you're not, you're just fooling yourself, fooling your wife,
We
fooling your friends,
Yeah.
fooling your family. You know, you're
we've
just.
fallen into this conversation every episode.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh yeah, I'm done. I'm done doing that fight. You know, whatever. I don't give a fuck. If anybody in the chat has any questions as to what the fuck I'm doing, just ask. I'm not looking at it, but these
What
guys
the
are
fuck are
relaying the
you doing?
messages. All right, so I mean, what I just did was like I charted this shit fucking quick because I lost so much money that coming into this bull market reversion, I I got on a call with Martinium, my friend, and I had him just distill the basics of TA into me again, just fucking lines, rectangles,
Yep.
and clusters, and everything else is gravy. Everything else is extra. So yeah, I just marked this bitch up for whoever asked about balancer. So this, yeah, it's an interesting spot because it did hit this resistance, but the price action's pretty weak. So it could stay here. It could stay in this zone of 95,000 sats to 112,000 before trying for 127K to 157K. But I think it's more probable that it'll come back down to the 8100 cluster.
You think there's people listening that are like, what the fuck did you just say 112K? What? Like what is he talking
Yeah.
about?
Yeah, no, and they need to fucking learn what the hell I'm talking about. So if I put VPVR on,
Ooh,
we can actually
yes.
see that lines up
The
with
VIX.
the 80K. So yeah, I would say that maybe we've got a BTC move coming or some shit. Because I'm seeing this on a number of coins actually, where even if it does go up temporarily, it's likely to come back down, and more than likely that's going to happen on like a Tuesday or Wednesday midweek, because that seems to be the thing. Weekend pumps, and then the beginning of the week dumps, and then kind of revert.
Yeah.
So yeah,
SoCal, you're echoing.
Oh, sorry.
sounds like
okay.
you're using a fucking wrench.
Dude, we never get better microphones. We all agreed on this. Just don't get better microphones. It's perfect.
Yeah. So I am bearish/bullish
Right.
on fucking Balancer, just for the sake that, you could say bullish as in this is probably going to be a really nice rebuy. What I have up here, let me give some people insight, right? I got VPVR. This is pretty much the reason why you buy TradingView Pro.
Yeah.
This is some other cool shit friend of mine developed. All it does is track the distance of price between price and 5 EMA to potentially mark local tops. And you could see it just got blown out of the water in a good way, kind of just showing how bullish the market was in that last move from January. What else I got up here? I got Bollinger, because Bollinger is the fucking man. And yeah, we actually see another correlation here where it had a close above the top band, indicating, bullish or overbought, and then a close beneath it, which, John calls a head fake, indicating that it's likely to go lower. So we do have another factor there. And then if I toss up my two favorite momentums, 15 EMA and 30 EMA, we can also see that when the trend goes down short term in a bull market, that's actually, a bullish thing to buy the under trend move. And we could see that's actually in line with that. So I would, if I had some, I would sell or I would put up sells, if only a bit, just to compound my rebuy.
Right.
There you go. My first chart on shitcoin talk in a long time.
That was epic. People are asking about when the fuck did shitcoin talk get smart people on?
Fuck you. Oh, that's rude. That's rude. I can't say fuck you to that person.
You can.
Because I was thinking about it, and you know what? Like, you see people with like, I don't know, 25,000 to like 50,000 followers, and they'll put on their feed, they'll be like, oh, I just liquidated my position all over you fucking noobs. And then, a couple posts later, they're like, I don't know why I don't have that many followers.
Yeah.
It's like, you're abusive to them. So why abusive. The fuck would anyone would follow you? So no, I'm not going to tell that person, fuck you. I'm going to apologize to that person.
Yeah. Okay.
Be the better person.
Someone asked, my wife's boyfriend asked about alt Bitcoin pump after March futures expire.
The fuck?
What the fuck about the March futures, or about his wife's boyfriend?
No, that dude sounds like a cuck. So
that is definitely what he.
No, just what's the question?
I don't know. He's trying to get some alpha for his wife's boyfriend so that he can,
Maybe he was asking if you wanted to be his wife's boyfriend.
Okay, let's move on the list, dude.
I'm good though.
Yeah.
Jen would murder you.
Yeah, she would.
What else? Oh, we could look at the Omi coin. Someone said that it just went straight up, so maybe it's not good technically.
Omi?
Ecomi. Ecomi Omi.
Ecomi. All right,
oh shit.
OMI?
Maybe just type in
That's
Ecomi.
Yeah, try ECOMI. I don't know.
Yeah, Ecom.
No, maybe it's not on TradingView.
Huh?
Then it's fucking trash. I'm just kidding. No, I don't. Yeah, give us a fucking ticker.
It's OMI.
OMI?
Okay, sure.
Oh no, that shit ain't getting charted then. It's on trading. I prepped only for TradingView.
Oh, it's on BitForex. That's probably.
Oh, that shit is a scam. Take your money and fuck off. BitForex? You have to think of the names of the exchanges you're trading on.
I always thought that was so weird, dude.
BitForex, like.
Hey, look, we used to trade on shit called fucking Crypto Rush and Sex.
So,
yeah,
sex. But spelled with no, I'm talking about sex. CEX.
Oh
C-sex.
yeah. Yeah,
C-sex.
we did. Let me not pretend I'm better than
I
someone
trade on
trading
a
on
place called
BitForex.
Trade Ogre. I mean, fuck, dude.
Hey,
we
hey.
played on. We traded on something called Cryptopia.
Hey,
All
Chalk,
right.
my man. Trade Ogre for life, bro. All right.
All right. So what is it? You call me. Let's see. Coin market cap. Let's see. Let's see this
Oh
shit.
shit! It's up like 500x apparently.
Oh yeah, obviously this is a great buy, right? Like, yeah, this is no problem. This.
I would say probably don't buy it right now.
How do we
Let's
feel
see.
about Ecomi today?
Oh, okay. So
Uh,
it's 22x from its all-time low. Yeah, no, there's
Oh,
there's
but
some
that's only a
value.
month ago.
Oh, yeah, man, fuck this. No, no, no,
Okay,
no,
we carry on.
no, no,
There you go. There's your answer for Ecomi right now.
Okay,
no.
no. How
Wait,
do we?
I want this person to see what they just did. You shilled a 22x.
Now he's selling.
God have mercy on your soul. I'm
Okay.
just kidding. In a bull market, who cares?
Yeah.
It's a bull market. It's fine.
What the fuck? I don't think some of these are gonna be on TradingView. Brick?
Brick? I've never even heard of Brick.
Yeah, it's probably 100x. That's probably why we haven't heard of Brick.
Oh, there's a fun exchange coin nobody's talked about in a while.
This is boomer talk
KCS.
now. Sorry, guys.
KCS.
KC? Oh, KuCoin?
Yeah, it went on it's up like 2x I think right now, 3x.
Also, if people are, don't worry, we're not actually mad at you for shilling shit in the troll box. It's what
No,
you're
no,
supposed
no.
to
We
do.
love it. We wouldn't know about it fucking otherwise. We stay in our goddamn bubbles here.
Yeah, I know. Brick.
Wow. All right. So this is one of those coins you just have to ignore the left of the chart for fear of absolute jealousy. Because that's something right there. That's a floor. Yeah, this is some shit. Yeah, I could
Okay.
see people being rewarded for both surviving this crater and then it looks like 0.04 if you could get in under that and it actually resurges. Yeah, I could see.
Chain finance. I like that.
Nah, I don't know shit about it. Let's see. Trading
Whoa, they
value.
actually, in finance, they capitalize the I. Is that because of, like...
Oh, that pisses me off.
Dump it.
Are we trying to do like a
Dump
block
it,
fi
dude.
type thing?
I don't know what they're doing there.
What is that? That's aesthetic cancer. What are you doing?
Oh, man. That's good. Now, is your opinion changed on the coin?
Yes.
I feel so bad.
No, I don't know what to say about it. I haven't heard anyone talk about it at all. And even with my boomer status, I feel like I would have heard something. I don't know.
I wonder what the website looks like.
Hey, where is this trading? I wonder if it's on BitForex again. Oh, pancake swap. Okay.
Oh, it's a BSC.
Swap.
Yay.
All right. So that explains things.
Yep.
Yeah,
All right.
I think pancake swap and cake swap and all the other mini dexes are gonna do well because you got people like me that don't know shit about it, and you know if we're being honest, we're gonna shit talk things we don't know that we miss multiple multipliers on. It's just human nature. We're no different.
Yep. It's all right. Don't worry. All right. Here's a few other ones in the chat. ALGO, ADA. We've already looked at that quite a few times, but we can do it again.
Yeah.
TOMO, Haven, Filecoin.
right.
So.
All right. I am in ALGO, so this one's an easy one. I got in roughly 1,600. I actually got in the first time on a wick around 1,300 in Trex because I guess somebody just I don't know needed to buy a PS4 game or something and just took it out on the shitty books there. I wrote it and then it had this crazy ass just Omega liquid. This right here is what anyone gets for using stops in altcoins. I know people may not understand that vantage point, but you just got to man up and accept the fact that you can wake up to total ruin and size shit correctly. Because look at all these people, all these fucking people from 1600 down to 1100. They lost that entire move up.
Yeah.
I sold all into this. I was so fucking stoked. And I did the classic mistake of rebuying early. So I'm actually underwater from 2600. I think I have an average around here. So 2300. But Algo is one of many coins that is basically a complete bitch to its dollar pair. So where is that shit?
You got a
Algo
shout out.
US.
Alex Sturk gave us $5 and said this message is brought to you by Ubik and my love for Noose for his past appearances on Block Talk.
Fucking, you know what, Starkey? I've been a dick to you nonsensically over the years, so you know what? I appreciate that, bro. Um, I can own up to that. I think I saw Alex's face once and just judged him, and it kind of went downhill from there. You know, we all have our own immature moments. But yeah, no,
Block Talk.
Sturkey fucks.
He does.
So yeah, so you can see right here, also in the BTC pair, but it's pretty much at this middle point where it's above this multi-year weekly close and below this multi-year weekly close. But if it has a close above 145, it's just gonna go absolutely fucking nuts. But I think the fact that it's $1.27 is one of the deterrents, right?
Yeah.
Everybody that wanted to play the Coinbase game of getting coins under $1 has done so or is kind of apprehensive about doing so. So all the coins under $1 on Coinbase are going to do better or move faster than something like Algo that already had a big move. So I'm optimistic that it's going to revert, tear through the 3Ks and go much higher. But I'm also of the mindset that this could have been the run this September. I would love to get these August lows in the mid fours, the mid 4,500 and whatnot. But when it's time for air quotes alt season to be done, none of that shit matters,
Yeah.
and you need to
What
just
does that
dump
VPVR look like
mercilessly.
on this? Do you? I mean, you use VPVR mostly on like USD charts or just every chart or like
Every chart, every fucking chart. Yeah,
It looks like
you
it's
can see
like
right here.
got some
There's
resistance.
just some serious ass volume right here. This is a key consolidation area.
Yeah.
So this is something where it's classic shitty analyst, no prediction. I don't know where it's gonna go, but my skin's in the game. I bought from 2600 down after selling all this. So you could say, oh, well, you got more coins. No, I fucked up. I should have been buying back around the 1600 to 2000 cluster. I didn't. And now I'm in this zone where like my profit loss is flapping along this 2300 route. But I still think we've got an alt season and another leg at minimum to some of these alts. So I'm still very much in it, and it's got to be my third or fourth biggest position.
Yeah. Sick, dude. What about Tomo?
Tomo's an interesting one. I don't have shit up for it. Let's do it. So Tomo's one of those tickers where when I hear it, I'm like, okay, alts must be doing well or whatever, because it is very liked. I don't know a lot about it, but they have some top tier cheerleaders.
I always get this one confused with the was it ENJ, I think, but not anymore. ENJ.
Oh yeah, because fucking ENJ just went off.
Yep.
That is a fucking weird chart. Let's see. Like what I'm trying to do is define the breakdowns and then also these like midterm points. This looks like a giant fucking range in and of itself, which is not as common on certain coins. So let's see.
Yeah, I agree.
Like so many coins follow the same template because they got the same market makers, the same interests. Something's a little different about Tomo. Yeah. So it looks like this is the halfway point. Gets above here, it attempts the top range. Gets above here, attempts the top range. But if it fails, it keeps seeking lower. So let's keep this up. All right. So hit that resistance, and that was a pretty critical resistance. What's the deal with Tomo, by the way? What's their like FA?
I couldn't tell you, dude.
Yeah, I don't know.
The efficient blockchain powered by proof of stake voting consensus.
So nothing. It offers nothing special. Okay.
They want you to build onto Tomo chain, and they call them the
so
Tomo knots.
you want me to build on your platform
and become a Tomo knot.
So your value proposition is that I work for you. Dope. All right.
Dope.
So VPV. All right. So yeah, it's sort of doing the same shit. If you think about it as Algo, right? It's at a midpoint, slightly above its VPVR, trying to figure out the next move. So kind of similar to what I said with these weekend pumps and whatnot. There's the possibility that it goes up to 5 or mid 5, and then when it comes to midweek, Monday, end of Tuesday, maybe it'll go around here before another push. But this is a fucking this is a time suck right here. Yeah. And it most likely stems from this. Where is it? Date range. This it was in this price zone for 46 days before breakdown. Oh my god. Yeah, 46 days was around the first attempt. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this. This is I have no problem saying it's a bit confounding, but yeah, maybe they're waiting for a big release or something.
Yeah,
some type of delay. This chart kind of screams of like internal struggles amongst the team and the big holders, if I'm being real.
Yeah, I was just about to look on Coin Market Calendar and see if there's anything going on. Let's search it up. Oops.
Let's check dollar.
TOMO.finance launch on March 31st.
Yeah, dollar reveals the truth of all things.
TOMO
because
Finance,
BTC,
a DeFi project based on TOMO chain, launches in Q1 2021. Cool. TOMO.finance. Can't wait to see what that does.
Yeah, so this thing is consolidating. But this on the dollar chart, I'd be remiss to not say that doesn't look like a bull flag that is breaking out. So let me be lazy about it and just do line. Yeah, I'm using arrows to denote channels.
Down.
Yeah, that's a bull flag that broke out. So I guess a daily close over 278 is that's the breakout trader way. But if someone were to sort of bid 238 to 215 scale in, this would probably be the better move, because the way the trading world works is you get a breakout and then it just fucking tests the entire thing before going up.
Yeah.
So yeah, whoever's looking at that at dollars has the right vantage point. The BTC chart is fucking difficult though.
Yeah, I think it's yeah, from like the all-time highs in May of 2018, it's like kind of like retested that, and now it's kind of trending up again from that. So
oh damn. On Binance, what's interesting too is that there's no former USD highs.
yes.
When did it even come out?
2018. Early 2018.
Okay, so they don't even have the full history. That's actually really advantageous in my opinion, because you'll have people who just consistently sort of discredit a coin's existence before it gets on Binance. So if it was on KuCoin or some other low volume exchange, those prices don't exist in the new crowd's head, or the new entrant's head.
Yep. I like looking at the history just for fun.
Yeah, so you know what? Let's actually do that for sake of 100% clarity. So let's try
Yeah, I
KuCoin.
think KuCoin would probably be a good. Oh, no?
So this says June 2019, but you know what? They may have not had the pair.
USDT.
So let's see. Let's do that fucker. Doesn't
Well,
help.
crazy
Will
math
BTC.
going on, dude.
All right, what should I do this on? Where the hmm?
Oh,
Who the hell?
BitForex?
I was looking for KuCoin because it had the most history, right? But not
Oh,
seeing it. Not seeing it at all. Well, fuck it. We're moving on.
okay.
Yeah.
There's Filecoin, Atom. Two people have asked about Bitcoin's Satoshi's vision.
No.
Yeah. All right. So Filecoin is this simple for me. The time to get in was the yearly open. You hit this magic button, YTD, and if you can get an entry around then, you are epic. And
Yeah.
this was the time to get in. As of now, if I had to guess, this is fucked short term and midterm, like many of Barry's coins, because I've exited Mana and Bat, and there were two of the ones that are Barry's grayscale stuff, and I think Filecoin was another.
Yeah, I think
So
that's more
just as
recent for sure.
yeah,
I
so
know
just
that
to be
the time to get into Filecoin is probably there was a big huge thing about the miners and how people actually couldn't even mine Filecoin because they needed Filecoin to mine Filecoin and all this shit, and they like kind of fixed it, but that was definitely the time because there was a lot of FUD around it.
Yeah, so check that out, guys. So this is Filecoin, obviously not an updated chart. This was a chart I put together for a friend who was thinking about selling the bottom, and he did. I'm not going to name him because I respect him. And this now, if I go forward, you'll see Mana, which I exited. I exited quite a bit. Which way? I think I actually exited up to 1200, and then I tossed the moon bag around 1500 or so. And yeah, this is just destined for death unless it really repairs itself. It just looks fucking awful.
You think
And
it's
then
had a pump like probably because of the NFT craze going on? I would say it's probably
absolutely, absolutely, and I think it even lined up with some auction,
for
some
like some
really
land
key
or something like that,
Decentraland
or
auction.
yeah.
Yeah. So you have the extension of the move itself, and then you have the fundamental driver, the sell on news. And if you look at Bat's also fucked. Bat I scaled out heavily to 2400, and then yesterday I tossed the moon bag on some weakness here. So it could come down, to 1800 and go back up, but I think these are fucked. And you can see that File is not yet as fucked.
Yeah.
So yeah, Filecoin, I would say take some profit before the next BTC move. Because I think these coins are mainly moving. I think the grayscale Barry coins are moving inverse to BTC, which is what you want from a market maker. On the days BTC is doing shitty, your BTC value is going up on the pair. So good coins to trade, but you got to keep that in mind to trade and midterm invest. But my assessment at the moment is Filecoin is fucked.
Okay. Well,
I'm not even gonna throw lines. I'm just gonna say fucked by proxy.
it's okay. I'm just standing by idly because I still haven't got my ICO coins yet.
Jesus.
I just wait. I just watch. I'm like, oh wow, it's up. This would be cool. I'll just wait. Just gotta wait a few more months, I think.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh man.
it's okay. We'll be okay. I hope. Pray for me. So should we look at the Satoshi's vision for fun? Come on, SoCal. Have a heart.
You know what? I'm a fan of coins that kind of invoke emotion and piss people off. So
Emotion.
let's do it. All right. So yeah, no, I mean this obviously looks amazing. Let's throw some lines on this bitch.
If you flip it upside down, it looks really good.
Yeah, I mean, we all
I mean,
tell
isn't
each
this
other
what you said? You said the coins that move in the inverse of Bitcoin is like those are that's what you want, right?
not this way. Not this way.
This is what you want in a coin, dude.
No. No, this is going the wrong fucking way. This is like when your Uber driver just takes you to an abandoned alley and
Kicks
you're
you
just
out.
like you're like, is this it? Is this how it goes down? Is this how it ends?
Yes.
Yeah.
CSW and Calvin deserve nothing less than Max Payne.
Yeah. But you got to remember, man, all these idealistic views can sort of just be shunted by a good pump.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. All
But
right.
but we all
So,
know it's not gonna mega pump like that.
all right. So, fuck. The only support that it currently is even trying to utilize from March is currently below. So that's just very fun. This is definitely going to be a coin that you look at in the dollar pair for any sort of guidance because the BTC pair is really really rough. Jesus,
Always
that's rough.
has been.
So let's see. Let's throw on a VPVR. Oof, fucking shit. All right. So when you see this right here, that VPVR line, just ginormous. Also, I don't. Why the fuck are my arrows so
I
fucking
was
big?
just about to
They're
ask.
Dude,
so
those things are
fucking
huge.
When you see
big.
that
Like,
big ass red arrow, that means that you're in
yeah,
trouble.
That's a
Dude.
exactly.
problem.
But yeah, this is bag holders central. This is bag holders. Like this is the first bag holder bus, and then this is the shorter bus. Um, or maybe this is the shorter bus, but yeah, this has a lot of resistance to get through. Now, I mean, I'm in EOS and Tezos, and they looked like this around when I got in, so that I don't know what that says.
Yeah. The USD chart on BSV has been in like the same $60 range for the last fuck, dude, damn near a year. Aside from like a few pumps, it looks like. It's just been bouncing around between like 160
Jesus.
bucks and 220 bucks.
The fuck do I have log on? What the fuck is with this chart?
It's not good.
I don't know if I should even put lines on this. Um,
Yeah. I mean, you could
yeah, I'm
zoom
just
out
gonna.
further. It just goes on and on and on and on, dude. Like, it's kind of strange. It's like the stablecoin. Yeah, from like
Wow.
April 2020 until now, so almost a whole year of just like push sideways.
Yeah. Oh wow. This is a money trap right here. And on one hand, you're gonna have the people that say, "Oh, it's great to trade. Just sell at the top boundary, buy at the middle boundary." But there's just this ain't how you do it. I don't. This is fucked.
I haven't heard it from Craig Wright in a while. I mean, what is he up to? Did he like end his own life or something, or what happened?
No, he's still suing people and being a general jackass.
He's probably really pissed that he couldn't get that million Bitcoin before it went up. I think that was probably his game plan, dude.
All right, so you know what? Being objective here, which is pretty hard to do with a shitty chart like this, you could always visualize basically any coin as BTC in 2015, right? And BTC in 2015 under 300 was a good buy, under 250 was a good buy, but it took a while to sort of break through that. So just being super objective, clears this 238, I can't even say that. Like, look at these
Yeah, I
fucking
know
things right here.
those little
This
fake
is a
outs,
fake
dude.
out here. So it's like, what do you need? A 2-week candle confirmation?
Yeah.
Do you need a monthly confirmation? Maybe that's it.
Hey Noose, what did you do? Sorry, don't mean to interrupt, but I just got a notification that BAT is down 5%. What did you do?
I put lines on a chart.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I see what you mean. Good job, guys, kind of explaining how fucking perpetually trapped this shit is. Because yeah, there's some coins you need to go to that monthly, man. And this is one of them.
I mean, this is like opportunity cost at like the prime example of it. I mean, if you're holding this in Bitcoin, like you've lost money, and if you've holding it in USD, like you could have played probably literally any other thing in the whole market and been fine.
Yeah, you know those memes that people are like pain and stuff like that, and kind of just trying to elaborate what it's like to be trapped in something.
Yeah,
This is
I
the
mean, like,
fucking
and even like if you
personification.
hold Bitcoin straight up, like yeah, the price has gone up, but you can also like put that on platforms and like get at least a little bit of interest from it, or fucking USDT. If you sat in USDT, like that kind of sucks that's running up, but like at least you could get some interest on it. I don't know about BSV.
So I feel like I have to put, some
An alert.
sense to this. So no, fuck that. So this is one of the best plays in my opinion. In terms of the most time you can save from this time vampire as is. I'm gonna put a once per bar close on the horizontal ray of that 272, and if it closes above there, I'm down to fucking buy the fucking dip from 272 to like 250, and maybe it'll be a good trade then. I'm not even saying it will, but this is getting an alarm because
But then you get trapped, and then you're like, fucking shitcoin talk, dude.
yeah, exactly. But you know what? That's the
dude.
play because that's insane.
If you get trapped, I'll give you the $5 that Alex Dirk gave the channel. I'll buy you a hamburger
Okay,
or something. I'm
gonna need it, bro. Because wow, this is a shitty chart. I mean,
like, I don't know
whoever
if
is like,
people are asking this ironically or unironically. It's kind of hard to say sometimes. Because you know there's like
yeah,
a
maybe it
BSV
goes
army out
back
there.
down to, yeah, maybe it goes back down to 178. I don't know, man. I'm fine saying I don't know this or that, and this is a perfect example why. Yeah, this shit's just gonna go down. I don't know. This kind of garbage. Please just mention something else.
Okay. We're about an hour in. We could do one more coin, or we could just wrap this thing up and call it a day. Fuck daylight savings time, dude.
Yeah, let's do one more coin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Saw some Ravencoin in the chat. I know that thing has taken off a bit.
Oh yeah, it
At
has.
Tom. I think we looked at that last week, but I don't really know.
Whew.
Yeah.
Damn. All
That's
right.
a
This
10
is
times
called
in Bitcoin. So that's outperforming the market, I would say.
yeah. Yeah. And shout out to Beast Lorian or Beastly Orion. I don't know his fucking name.
Beastly Orion.
Yeah, fucking Ada Lover 123. He called this around like 70-ish sats,
Yeah.
and once it started going up, and I was like, oh, he's got it.
I know.
Like,
I mean,
good
you
for
can see
him.
it too. Even that pump up, and then it like kind of throw back to 70 sats. I mean, yeah, dude. But I
What
mean,
am I drawing lines for all the way over here? That shit don't make sense. All right, let's go monthly because
I remember that. That was the Binance ad.
yeah, that was nice.
That was nice. What did I go straight from? Did it even hit BitTrex before that, or was it just like from Trade Ogre straight over to fucking Binance?
I don't know. You know how BitTrex is. They probably added it, 2.5 months later after momentum died.
Yeah. You know they just added Uniswap token like 2 weeks ago.
Uh-huh. Oh. All right. So it looks fucked at the moment. If I had to guess, where's my X? There. So yeah, this is like, why are my fucking symbols so fucking big? All right. What the fuck happened? Why is like, damn, talk about resistance. It's just fucking humongous symbols to symbolize that. Jesus. Fucking A. All right, so yeah,
I
you
see
can see
people using
that.
the hammer or a magnet.
Yeah. No, I can't use the magnet. That's rookies. He'll
Yeah,
fucking sue me. Um,
that is true. I like the magnet though.
yeah, no, the magnet's dope. I'm pretty sure I used the magnet at some point, and then I was just like, I need to stop because then people are gonna think that, that's what I want to happen. All right, so yeah, you see, this was 453 sats was its resistance that it broke down or support that it broke down from became resistance, and it wicked through there on that pump and wicked through there again. So I would say likely to revisit the bottom of the range, if not just fuck around here for a bit. But if it does have a daily or weekly close above 450, that could be
There's
fucking
still
nice.
10 days left in the month. Do you think you could do it?
You think there's a chance?
Come
Um,
on. Yeah,
but
I
let's
didn't realize
see.
it was up that
VPV.
high. I haven't checked Ravencoin in a long time, but I mean, there's
This
not.
is actually pretty cool too. Sometimes you toss the VPVR on and you're like, holy shit, it's 77. And there's this notion that the people that bought here are sitting on this insane multiplier in like a negative way. Like, oh fuck, I missed out on a 5x. But it also shows you the market maker has that firepower and that
Yeah.
the people in it are all in profit. So it's a good sign in my opinion. Let me check the other things. So hit that peak on my buddy's indicator. Didn't hit it this time, so it wasn't too far away from 5 EMA. Let's see the Bollingers. All right, Bollinger. It's trying to close above it. It's at 399. Had a fake out. Okay, let's check out. That's some other shit that nobody understands. I don't feel like explaining. All right, and it's still above 15 EMA and 30 EMA. And this is what's most important for me for staying in a pump is whether or not the half month and 1 month participants are still in profit because crypto ADHD is real. So if people can't stand being a losing trade for 2 weeks, so 15 EMA is key, and people can't stand being a losing trade for a month, so 30 EMA is key there, and they're both up right now. So yeah, for all I know, this is just a fractal of this fella right here. Yeah, I got auto extend on. Extend. Bam.
Yeah.
So for all we know,
Is that the hope? That's the hope, baby. Pump it in your
yeah,
veins,
this
dude.
is me just injecting fucking hopium into some people's veins.
Yes.
And I could do that. When the chart says it, I could be real about it. And you know what? This is how much I love everyone here. I'm even gonna make it green.
Yay.
Because that's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do.
Green means go.
Green. Yep.
Arise,
Yay.
chicken.
All right.
Raven.
So
It's not a chicken.
that was
it's
it.
A raven.
That's the
Arise,
last
Raven.
one. Let's wrap this up because, like I said, attention spans are a motherfucker, including mine.
We're at the hour-long MA here. We gotta start wrapping this shit up, dude.
What? Huh? I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah.
Huh?
Wow, time goes by so quickly when Noose is just schooling you on TA and shit. I appreciate that, man.
It does. It's so much fun.
So much.
Thanks, guys, for letting me spout this shit. I haven't put up charts on I don't even think I put charts up on Twitter that much anymore because I don't fucking want to. I'm done trying. I just want to do. I just want to have fun.
I know there was a chart you posted recently that all you said was boop. Boop.
Yeah.
That
was mana.
Yeah.
That was mana. I bought the former all-time high.
The boop of death, dude. Yeah. No shit. All right. So I mean, what have you guys been doing? Like, we could wrap this up real quick. What have you guys been doing the last week or so ish? Maybe longer for Noose, but I know SoCal's was here last week. Anything you want to touch on? Any last words for the people here?
Not really. Stay safe.
Okay. Like,
Be
what?
careful.
Wear your seatbelt. Don't breathe.
No. As in, perform proper portfolio risk management.
Yeah, I co-sign that. For me, getting out of BAT, getting out of mana, getting out of stuff recently, the money's been burning a hole in my pocket because I'm a fucking degenerate like everyone else here. And I'm trying my best to not buy back into shit soon or set bids. I just want to sit on that profit for like a week, maybe week and a half before I think of putting that back in. Because I'm like 80% right now in crypto and in alts, and that 20% is just burning a hole, which is just ridiculous. So I'm trying to fight that feeling. And yeah, if SoCal, if that's kind of what you're getting at,
Yeah.
I would also advocate just fight that feeling, keep some dry powder, because it's easy to just constantly be 100% all in on these amazing market conditions, but it's not the best play.
Yeah, and just continue using BAT as an example. I have a bag of that, right? And I wasn't tracking it, actively or anything. I wasn't, watching any charts or anything, but I did see the notifications. What was it, a day or two when it took off and just went insane, over $1 and everything. And as soon as I saw it was over $1, I didn't even look at a chart. I just immediately sold half my bag.
There you go. Yeah,
All
it's
that,
like,
all that was
yeah,
accumulated, around 20 cents or less.
yep, yep,
So
nice.
once you're sitting on like a 6x, you can sell half your bag. It's cool. You
Sell
know what I
half
mean?
on a 6x, dude.
Right? Exactly.
My boy Brian Beamish.
So, so I mean, it just be smart. Be an idiot and say, "Oh my god, it's up so high. I'm just going to sit on all of it." No, that's a terrible decision. Don't do that. But
All right,
so
well, my advice is a little different. Go buy some fucking BSC shitcoins. Go ape into some yield farms. Get some fucking money, dude. Buy some Marsh
yes.
cats. Let's go, dude.
I'm not saying don't ape into shit. I'm just saying don't go all in on one project at a time, because that's how you lose. That's how you lose everything.
Do it, dude. We're gonna get so fucking rich, dude. Don't worry about it.
That's it. Yeah, if none of us sell, all of us get rich.
CZ would never let us down, guys. Like, come on, Binance Maximalist here, dude. Let's go.
Fun Seifu, right?
Yeah, they're very Seifu.
Yeah, he loves us.
Well, that's it, man. Dude, we only have 3 more episodes. We got 100 episodes of this stupid.
Yeah, we gotta plan. Aren't we planning something for the 100th episode?
We don't plan shit.
You're not wrong.
Yeah, that's our advantage and our detriment. So you know what? Whoever's watching, you guys are fucking dope, and this is always fun to do.
Yeah,
because you guys.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll get something going, man. But yeah, I appreciate you guys taking the time and doing this, and all the viewers. And that's it, dude. See ya. I love you.
Peace.
Next week, everybody.
Love
Thanks
you.
for watching.
Love you.